Hi, welcome back my VGR Learn. Today topics data analytic ChatGPT prompts. First I will upload my data image file. This is the employees data sample is there. After that I give the command analyzing this data in ChatGPT and paste this ChatGPT and click here. This is the screenshot is appearing HR employee master data set content employees biography job information. The EEID is employee ID is a full name is employee full name, job title is employee position, department is department, business unit business unit, grade is grade male female, and city employees and city age employee age, head date joining date, and annual salary employees salary, bonus percentage of bonus, country which country, city's work location, exiting employee exiting date, blank activities. This way until this the analyzing senior analytic manager director vice president engineering, technical architecture, control engineer, departments IT, finance, human resources, and engineering, sales, market, business units, manufacture, corporate, research, development specifications, female and grading purpose. This way you can decide is the youngest is 25, oldest is 65, average age. This lowest salary, this highest salary, this. Lowest salary is $41, 336. Highest salary to 249, $270. This is where, and the bonus of percentage is the 0, 6, and 34%. Geographic invited China, Brazil. This way is providing joining dates. This data. After that, I will give the another prompt is the create chart. Then I will give this create chart. What happened is observe the same data. The best visible data screen. This way creating chart is observe this very simple method. This is employee department chart is the IT, finance, sales, engineering, research, market, account. General distribution pie chart is general distribution, female, male percentage of this. Employees business unit bar chart is their manufacturer, employees and research development employees and specialist products cooperative. This is the department was employee count is this is given the symbol very easy, very understandable without any knowledge. You can understand this prompt is given very easily. You only type is one word create chart. Now another is the create graphic graphs. Then paste this chart GPT and upload this. The single word creating graph. This creating graph as this chart and graph and this way. The another prompt is the I can clean data but current upload only screenshot is the if you create an Excel sheet is the create this data and remove the duplicate records and missing these functions are taken. Clean data checklist is the remove the duplicate record, handle missing blanks values, standardized data format, hiring date, exit date, converting annual salary numeric, converting bonus, numeric prevent, time expired, standardized capitalization, correct this way, analyzing. The after that another command is the find trends. The point and department trends. IT has the highest number of employees. Finance, the second largest department. Engineering has the sales, moderate staff. This marketing is the human resources in this way. Salary trending executive. Role vice president, director, role manager, and mid-range salaries. Analyzing coordinator. This way, the bonus trend and workforce diversity, male and female, ethnics, Asian, Caucasian, blank. The geographic area, United States, China, Brazil. The age trending is 25 to 65. The business units, manufacture, research, development, special products. This way, analyzing and trending. The data